Welcome to the Destination Perfect channel. Shenzhen is a city that transformed from a fishing village to a futuristic metropolis in just a few decades. Today we're diving in to uncover the heart, soul, and top must-visit places of this buzzing city. Are you ready? Let's go explore Shenzhen. Our first stop is the Window of the World, a truly unique theme park in Shenzhen that lets you travel the globe without ever leaving the city. Here, you can wander among incredibly detailed miniature versions of the globe's most famous landmarks, all carefully recreated to capture their original charm and grandeur. One moment you're standing beneath the Eiffel Tower, feeling like you're in Paris, and the next, you're gazing up at the ancient pyramids of Giza. This is just the beginning of our journey. Now, let's dive into the heart of China itself at splendid China Folk Village, a place where the country's vast history and culture are brought to life in miniature form. Here, you'll find a world of discovery waiting at every turn. Walk along the iconic Great Wall, marvel at the intricate Forbidden City replica, and immerse yourself in vibrant performances from China's many diverse ethnic groups, all gathered together in one extraordinary place, making it feel like you're traveling across the nation in a single afternoon. Each themed village area bursts with its own unique architecture, local customs, and mouth-watering food specialties, offering a true taste of China's regional diversity and traditions. It's a living museum, full of pride and color, where you learn just by being swept up in the energy, surrounded by the sights, sounds, and stories of a rich cultural heritage. This is how you share a nation's story with the world, by inviting everyone to experience its wonders, all in one unforgettable visit. Next, we're at OCT Loft Creative Culture Park, a former factory complex turned art hub. Industrial chic meets creative energy. Every corner hides a gallery, quirky shop, or bold street art. Cafes buzz with artists and designers, making this a true community of innovators. It's not just about tech here, it's about art, design, and inspiration. You can't help but feel more creative just by being here. To understand Shenzhen, you need to know its story. So, we're at the Shenzhen Museum. Journey from humble fishing villages to a global metropolis in a blink. See dioramas, artifacts, and photos that reveal the city's rapid transformation and deep roots. It's a powerful reminder that even the newest cities have ancient stories. Shenzhen's resilience and ambition come alive here. Welcome to Darfan Oil Painting Village, a vibrant labyrinth of studios and galleries nestled in the heart of Shenzhen. Here, thousands of artists work side by side, producing art that finds its way to homes and galleries all over the world. Watch as skilled hands recreate timeless masterpieces, Van Goghs, Monets, and countless others, or witness the birth of original works as the village continues to evolve and inspire new generations of artists. Canvases line every street and alleyway, transforming the village into a living, breathing gallery where the air is thick with creativity and the spirit of artistic expression. Here, art is both tradition and innovation, blending centuries-old techniques with bold, contemporary visions. Visitors can take home a masterpiece, purchased directly from the artist who created it. Darfan is more than a village. It's a place that redefines what art can be and invites everyone to experience creativity in its purest form. Time for nature at Lianhuashan Park, a green oasis in the city. Stroll up gentle paths, join locals practicing Tai Chi, and reach the summit for a panoramic view of Shenzhen. The statue of Deng Xiaoping stands watch over the city he helped create. From here, you see the scale of Shenzhen's transformation. It's the perfect blend of urban energy and peaceful escape. Ready for a sky-high view? We're at the Ping An Finance Center, one of the world's tallest buildings. The elevator rockets you to the free sky observation deck. Suddenly, you're in the clouds. The city, the bay, even Hong Kong, all spread out beneath you. Step onto the glass floor if you dare. It's exhilarating. This is human ambition, seen from above. Dive into Huaqiangbei Electronics Market, the engine room of global tech. Multi-story buildings overflow with every gadget and component imaginable. It's chaotic, loud, and a paradise for makers and tinkerers. This is the raw, buzzing heart of Shenzhen's innovation. Time to unwind at Demeisha Beach, a golden crescent of sand with city skyscrapers in the distance. Locals and visitors relax, play, and soak up the sun, with mountains as a backdrop. It's a stunning contrast, nature and modernity side by side. Shenzhen knows how to balance work and play. Prefer a quieter waterfront? Shenzhen Bay Park is your spot. Walk or bike along miles of scenic coastline with mangroves and city views. The park is a haven for birdwatchers, families, and cyclists alike. At sunset, the skyline glows and the bay sparkles. It's a perfect place to fall in love with the city. For thrills, head to Happy Valley Theme Park. World-class roller coasters, themed lands, and spectacular shows await. Whether you crave adrenaline or family fun, there's something for everyone. It's pure, joyful energy. Wish me luck on the bullet coaster. Next, Shenzhen Safari Park, a sprawling open habitat zoo. See giant pandas, tigers, giraffes, and more in naturalistic enclosures. Drive-through tours bring you up close to roaming animals. The park focuses on conservation and education, making it both fun and meaningful. It's a wild adventure for all ages. Hungry? Head to SeaWorld in Shekou, a vibrant plaza built around a real ship. Choose from global cuisines, Italian, French, Japanese, and more. The atmosphere is lively, with fountain shows and live music at night. It's a delicious showcase of Shenzhen's international spirit. Slow down at Fairy Lake Botanical Garden, nestled in the Wutong Mountains. Explore themed gardens, serene lakes, and the tranquil Hongfa Temple. The air is fresh, the scenery breathtaking, and the atmosphere deeply peaceful. It's a masterpiece of landscape design and spiritual calm. Food for the soul, right in the city. Meet Kinki 100, another of Shenzhen's iconic skyscrapers. Its sleek design houses, luxury shopping, and the sky-high St. Regis Hotel. Sip a drink on the 96th floor and take in a new perspective of the city. It's a symbol of Shenzhen's prosperity and style. Here, living well means living high, Ving. Step back in time at Nantou Ancient City, with 1,700 years of history. Wander narrow alleys, explore ancient gates, and discover trendy cafes in historic buildings. It's a living fusion of old and new, where daily life and history intertwine. Restoration has brought this heritage to life in the heart of modern Shenzhen. The city's story runs deeper than you think. Shenzhen Concert Hall is a symbol of the city's cultural rise. Its futuristic design and world-class acoustics attract top musicians from around the globe. The hall, paired with the adjacent library, forms a vibrant cultural plaza. Attending a performance here is a sublime experience. Shenzhen is a city of industry and of soul. For a taste of old Shenzhen, visit Dongmen Pedestrian Street. It's a bustling maze of shops, neon lights, and endless street food. Haggle for bargains, sample local snacks, and soak up the lively atmosphere. This is where the city's energy and flavor come alive. The perfect, delicious finale to our journey. What a city! Shenzhen, you've amazed me from ancient alleys to futuristic towers. We've only scratched the surface, but I hope you've enjoyed this adventure. Share your favorite Shenzhen spot in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys. Until next time, keep exploring with Destination Perfect.